In this question, you have to point out the option that correctly represents the role of NAD plus in cellular respiration. Option A, it functions as an enzyme. It is incorrect because NAD plus is not an enzyme. Now, we know that enzymes are proteins that catalyze chemical reactions, while NAD plus is a coenzyme which is involved in electron transfer. Option B, it functions as an electron carrier. Now, NAD plus plays an important role in cellular respiration by functioning as an electron carrier. So, during hydroglycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and other metabolic processes, NAD plus accepts electrons and a proton to become NADH, and this NADH then carries the electrons to the electron transport chain where they are used in ATP production. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, it is the final electron acceptor for anaerobic respiration. It is incorrect because in anaerobic conditions like say fermentation, pyruvate or derivatives of pyruvate usually act as the final electron acceptors and not NAD+. Option D, it is a nucleotide source of ATP synthesis. It is also incorrect because NAD+ is not directly used as a nucleotide source for ATP synthesis. Rather, ATP is synthesized by, say, substrate level or oxidative phosphorylation. And NAD plus plays a role only in transferring electrons.